Sila ho ang nagsusupervise sa atin yung nag-monitor, nag-evaluate ng mga performances natin. Now, I need figures. You have to commit to me by December bigger accomplishments. The reason why I go around and talk to you and talk to contractors is problem solving. We have to identify what are the problems, especially yung carrying over projects. No? I'm more particular on carrying over projects where the problems are. Ano talaga problema para maayos na natin? Diba? Para hindi magiging backlog. Kasi meron yung terminated na, tapos na contract. Yes. Wala man extension, tapos sinutuloy pa rin ang project. Anong klase na contract management naman yan? Diba? Ito no, let me just run down to you yung mga in our observations, the cases on alleged anomalies. Some of you might have been visited already by the NBI CIDG team. Now, the Office of the Administrator is joining this team. The last 2 weeks, we have been joining them already. So, ito no, mainly yung sa procurement, sa procurement activities, bid rigging, nagre-rig ng bids, substandard construction, substandard materials, unit cost development. You are checking on your unit cost now. Sobrang maluwag masyado eh. If I may cite another case, kung ang asa mo is January binigay, so you're allowed to bid out, etc. Pero ano ba ito? Ang cash na-release lang 2 weeks ago. Supposed to be, release pala 2 weeks ago. Pero tapos na yung projects eh. So anong klaseng ano ito? Sabi ko nga, ang yayaman ng mga contractors, kaya nila mag-advance ng more than 200 billion pesos worth of projects. Diba? Doesn't give sense na I am a contractor myself. Pero kung walang down payment, I will not proceed. Kasi panay private naman ang project, most of my projects are noon eh. Pero let me be clear, I have divested already from my company. Ito, no board approval. Nag-implement ng project na walang board approval. No RDC or Regional Development Council approval. Right of way acquisition, not yet complete. But contract award was done already and in fact, projects are being implemented. Ito na, no cash release but projects is completed or almost done. Anyway, this will all be rectified. We have solutions. We do not like really to pin down people, but if you have committed, you have to be reprimanded or suspended or perhaps requested to retire. We are serious on this thing because we are building up cases. I'm very sorry to say, but before Christmas time, there will be more cases that will be filed sa Ombudsman.